Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kinoilam jong kinyam baper kani kejala Meghalaya, hakaji kendo lang hakashipoterek, menta unailar arajar arpau hakani kanong ba Shillong, kila shem yakarai ban penkano dakaway ka kanhon, yakaba ontep ba kum ka Shillong All Faith Forum. Ubishop jong ka Church of North India, Most Reverend P. Lingdo, ha ka jingran bat kinong patay ko bor ulay to, baka thong jong ni kanhon, kabala thaw thamay, kalong banwara ya ka jingsok jingsan, ha ka jila Meghalaya, bat bandan ka jing kendo lang jong ki jat nyam baro na kapor sa kapor.
Decided to recommend to the government that the situation is not conducive. The government is to take decision on that. But we are requesting our Hindu brothers and sisters to understand the situation and to make it as far as possible, make it small affairs at home or whatever you do it, but with all the protocols.
Till 31st August, everything will, status quo will be maintained, and after 31st, the entire situation will be studied and commensurate with the existing situation in the first week of September. The chairman, Bishop will and we will convene a meeting and take a conscious and considered decision as per the prevailing situation.
In fact, till the end of this month, August, that we had already communicated to the government in our last meeting that we suggest that they should not be open. So again, we'll meet in the first week of September and we will assess the situation.
No, but the government said we have given the religious bodies, religious organization freedom to take a decision.
This is what
the government said, told us well done. It's not that the government said that, oh, we will decide for you. You decide.
We are suggesting that the government.
We are suggesting. You see, opening of places of worship also needs a lot of preparation. I think Bishop will agree with that. Like the rural areas, suppose the churches are there, they need to be informed. They need to, so you need at least 15, 20, 25 days time. It has been closed for so long. So in the same way, we want to take everyone, not only opening in Shillong is not an issue, but we want to take all our brothers, sisters all over the state together. And we also took a decision that it should be uniform, that not a mosque is opened and a church is closed and a mandir is open and a gurdwara is closed. So that is our objective and motive and spirit of oneness and harmony, which Bishop Lingdo has been always stressing upon and postulating.
No, that I understand. We understand that.
Very frankly, the last meeting we had with the government, in that it was suggested and the government took a call that for now it is closed. After that, the government has not conveyed to us. Time and again we are sending proposal to the government. Like, for instance, today we felt that the cases are rising. You see, just today it is 57. And in marketplaces, as you have asked, marketplaces are open. A religious place, once it is open, more people will come. So the disease will spread like wildfire. Now only by markets and all, you are seeing, as a pressman, you are seeing how much it is going.
No, I see in markets they are not following protocols, but at least in places of worship, protocols will be followed.
Few places maybe, but we are concerned about this.
And let me tell you, in market you can maintain protocol, but in a religious place, now the government has 65 above cannot come. Can we tell a person of 65 years of age when he comes to pray, don't come? Can we? So it is the government who will do.